we'll guide you through how to comment on ClickUp task. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp so that all pages and workspace data can load properly without interruptions. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, for example logging in with an email address. Type your email address in the required field and make sure it is entered correctly before continuing. Next, type your password in the password field associated with your account. Once everything is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp workspace. After signing in successfully, open the list within the space you want to use and navigate to the location where your tasks are displayed. For the first method, click the comment field on the task directly from the list view. Type your comment according to your needs and include any information, updates, questions, or feedback that you want to share with your team members. Once your comment is ready, click the send icon to post it. Now you have successfully added a comment to the task using the list view. For the second method, click on the task you want to comment on to open its details and access additional task information. Type your comment in the comment field according to your needs and review the content before posting it. You can add a file attachment to your comment to provide supporting documents, screenshots, images, or other relevant files that may help explain the information you are sharing. You can also click the three dots icon to view additional commenting options and available actions. After reviewing your comment, click Send to post your comment. Now you have successfully added a comment to the task, allowing team members to view, discuss, and collaborate more effectively within the same work area.